Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching in advance. We're gonna make some steamed pink salmon for dinner today, everyone, and we're gonna get started right now. As you can see, we've been putting a piece of butter right here in our pot, everybody. Let that one melt. Nice and simple like that. So now in the meantime, this is what I like to do. Put some onion and some scallion, just a little bit, just to base. Okay? So you can get some of that flavor right up into your steamed fish. Okay? We are steamed some salmon. Remember me, people, this is how we're doing it. The aroma alone from this is so nice. And keep doing that. So now we're going to lay our pink salmon skin side down. Alright, so we'll lay everything in the pot, just like that, nice buttery. Alright, so now that our salmon well laid, you know, skin side down, we are going to go in with all this seasoning and okra and pumpkin and carrot, alright, onions, everything that you can think of. So let's get started. We're going to sprinkle them nicely on top of it. Alright. Remember, it's steamed fish and you want all that flavor. And when I steam fish, I love when my steamed fish have a lot of vegetables. Okay. It makes it very, very delicious. And remember, you can do this with any fish that you love. And remember, pink salmon is very, very easy to cook. Okay, and we're gonna put all of this on top. We soon come back. Now everybody, as you can see, everything is laid on top of it now. So we're gonna go in. This is our thyme, and we're going in with some of our spice. All right, throw it all in there. Remember, we are looking for flavor when you're making your fish. All right, you want to smell that nice aroma. Look at that. Look at all those color looking so beautiful. So now that we put all our spice and seasoning in our fish, we're going to add some water, put some corn and a little piece of butter on top again, close him down and let him simmer. So now we're going in with some water, and at that time you can add some butter or olive oil, whatever you want. This is my corn that's going in on top, and I cut them very small. Okay, remember, we'll cook it with love. So here we're going to go in with a piece of butter on top. Now we're going to close them up nicely, let them bubble up because we want all that flavor. Okay, now that's what we have. Okay, my people, look at that now, everyone. This is how our stuff is looking. Look at that, everything a bubble up. Yes, my people, this is it. This is how our pot is looking. All that color, all that flavor, all that goodness in our pot. Yes, well seasoned, well flavored. Might be some more. Remember, this is a simple, quick recipe, everything in a one. Alright, a pink salmon, very, very easy to cook. What better to have steamed fish with? Crackers, bami, fried food, rice, anything that you want. Now don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. Now remember, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, everybody. Beautiful recipe, delicious recipe, look good, taste good, everything good. All right, thank you.